And there's a picture of it. I don't know if they got a picture or not. There's a picture of it. Our nice little room 369. Q. And we don't know how to get upstairs, but we'll find a way. See a bus flight today.
You know.
And here comes Beetleball. Oh, it's almost straight up down. And here comes Beetleball. We're from Tennessee, but we're close to Cairo.
Yeah, okay. At that time, these things was a very nice town, but now, yeah, I know.
May I have your attention?
We moved out here in 1959.
Well, where we are now, onward. And it's quite easy to do because we are on Alaska Highway 3 at the moment. This is the road which connects Anchorage, which is about 250 miles to the south of us, or ahead of us. Both names to identify the mountain and also the park. Quite a few of us worked here prior to 1980 and still lapse into using the old name from time to time. Well, up ahead of us is the first of the small rivers, relatively small, in the two sprinklers you can see away from the road, and the animal is directly between the two of them. Now you can't see a lot of it because of relative size of the bushes, but you can see
Good eye, good eye.
Now actually what I want to do here is adjust our position because I believe there are some bushes.
I got it out the window when you opened it.
Here's the white-tail patch. A way to identify it.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate
It's not too good. To see that difference. Now hopefully we will. Sometimes get to see it move clearly. Antlers are always shaped. They're in a single line, and if you're not using binoculars, it's really hard to tell.
You say it was?
Jaeger?
Jaeger.
Specifically, long-tailed Jaeger.
There you go.
Pronounced see other motion more easily. The same advantage we get when we stop moving. Other motion is much more easy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see?
That's what I got.
What's your rock? That's a big one.
Yeah.
Ah, there we are.
Oh, he's a
yes, and the shoulders.
That is a big one.
Now he's looking toward us. Now, normal conversation is okay. I can talk in this level that I'm speaking at is fine. You'll see the moose when you get far enough over. Big antler.
Yeah, that's a big swing in there.
He's swiveling his head around frequently, so we're getting a look at both sides of them. And glimpses of his head, and just the shoulders is all you can see above the bushes.
Not exactly a squirrel. It's got a hanging down in tail.
It's,
With chipmunk, I think, isn't it?
yeah, it's a ground squirrel.
Was that the same thing as you and chipmunk?
Mm-mm. Where is he? Where'd he go?
I think they're going that way. Yeah, they're going
These are two grizzlies. You can see them. Yeah.
Now she's going back.
Can't tell if they're showing up.
Walk right on up here toward the home. So what we're going to do here is get rid of the engine noise. We should all remain fairly quiet.
There's his face. Yeah, I can see. Oh, God.
He's definitely being cautious. Notice the gears rotating.
What a nose.
There she comes. There you go. Looking at us now.
It's right by that tree.
Where the little ones at?
Oh, yeah. Well, that's something, isn't it?
Come on out. Come on out. Yeah, she might. She might.
Carolyn.
I guess that's the end of it, maybe.
Looks like a Belgian horse.
Yeah.
Now what she wants to do is cross this road. Definitely got the.
That's Jake. He's an Iditarod champion. I said he's an Iditarod champion. Jeff King, 92.
1993.
What? I thought it was 92.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay, we're crossing over right now, Riley Creek. For those of you on the right-hand side of the car, you'll see the freshwater river and the glacial fed river. For those of you on the left-hand side of the car, you can see where the two mix together. This is the second longest and third highest bridge that we'll cross over here while we're on the creek today.
That's clear. The other side's better.
Okay, good.
The water.
About this lady's a pro. She's gonna show me how to do it. Weird thumbs on the temples. Everybody moves. Show me those moves. Come on, I gotta get lots of enthusiasm from you. Lots of it. She's a pro at it.
I'm moosing.
So as soon as we go by those McKinley Explorer cars, you definitely want to move.
There's a little aha.
Okay, just wave nice to these guys. Yeah, see how nice he is? Okay, there's a couple diesels. Okay, and this will be the baggage car coming up here. Well, whatever, I suppose. And these are the Alaska passenger cars. They can't see you, though, so don't waste your moosing on those. But they do have a half of a dome car, so let's give them half of a moose coming up here. Ready?
A half a moose.
See the way they look? Okay, here comes our cars. Let's do it.
They're doing it fast
Named after the high winds that frequent the area.
This is Hurricane Gulch.
And the difference between a gulch and a canyon, anybody have any ideas?
Does one have water?
I'm told that a gulch is actually deeper than it is wide, and a canyon is just the opposite, wider than it is deep. Now in the case of the Grand Canyon, that'd be real hard to argue with, wouldn't it? However, a lot of people say that Mrs. Harding herself was slowly poisoning him with arsenic. The Fairview Inn is the white inn with the green trim. This is downtown Talkeetna. I want you to notice the stage where someone's sleeping in a sleeping bag. I'm sure it's a climber. BK's Trading Post. This is McKay's Riverboat Service coming up here on the right. For those of you who want to go, they're the top leading king salmon fishing service here in the state. They're filleting the fish right there. Now this looks like a nice general store, the Homestead General Store, pet supplies, groceries. Hey, wait a second, look behind there. It's just the front of a building. However, if you look to my left-hand side, you'll see Talkeetna International Airport. Talkeetna is not only full of history, it is also full of modern-day fun. When I told you it's party capital, I would not lie to you. It is party capital because it has several festivals. In July, they have a festival called the Moose Dropping Festival. The Talkeetna Moose Dropping Festival. Coming up here, I believe it's next weekend, is the Talkeetna Bluegrass Festival. Now, the Talkeetna Bluegrass Festival will bring about 3,000 people from all over the state.
That water? You take your time, 'cause we're just, I mean, you can set up the room until 10 to 8 if you want to.
This is downtown Anchorage from the Captain Cook. We're on 5th Avenue and something or other. And it's about 7:15 this morning.
All those little people out on the bank. Welcome to Alaska. I mean, look how much they get paid for doing that. And that's
This is on the way into Crater Lake. It's Thursday afternoon.
Thomas Desert. You know what that white stuff is on top of the water?
That's the wind blowing the water.
Wait till it gets by the water down there. Don't fall in the water.
Yeah. I may not need a telephoto very soon. Of course, I may need a stick to clean it off and take my camera, but... You know, I've read stories about how they're attracted to red.
They're like bulls, right?
Yeah.
They go for the red.
Yeah.
Bulls are colorblind though. Yeah, they are.
Who told you that?
Bulls are blind. They don't have eyes.
They're wrong,
A
Barbara.
bull.
This is Hillman's Peak, and it's the highest point on the Caldera Rim. 8,156 feet. And that is Laos Rock. Did you show Laos Rock? Is Laos Rock.
Yeah, I didn't know where it was. It's on my t-shirt.
Dad, there's those squirrel man.
And there's the book. Oh,
That's the Watchman.
that's not where you work.
I think so.
Oh, surely not. Well, he said they heard a lot of
Probably.
I think
Yeah, this is me. I'm sorry.
they still have, yeah. Well, you might ask if they're there, but I'm not sure you want to read them.
No, they're there.
Yeah. They're just chasing.
Small population.
Do you know our ravaging situation?
Then I'll be first, and you'll be the last one.
This is the back of it, actually. Did you know that?
Yes.
The front looks out to the lakeside. What?
Hi, Brian. I'm trying to see your phantom ship. I don't know if it's worth it or not.
That's Phantom ship down there, but you can't get it real good from this angle.
And then if you go back there, here's Carolyn in front of Phantom Ship at Crater Lake. Isn't it beautiful? I hope this blue shows up on the video. I'm whistling because there might be a bear. Well, he said make noise. I'm trying to make noise. I don't want a bear to come upon me. We're at the pinnacles, Brian. It began 6,800 years ago with the eruption of Mount Mazama. Temperatures in the deposits may have exceeded 750 degrees. Plumes of vapors appeared as gases escaped from the settling rocks through the vents called fumaroids. Many of these fossils are hollow. You look like you could be on the moon or something, don't you?
Except for the trees.
Except for the trees. In Crater Lake. Oh, two of them. Here's a bigger one. That's a baby chippy. Hi. Ready? Hello, Chippy. I don't have any food. I don't have anything with me.
That's all right. That's okay.